Banana peels are good for gardens because they contains 42% potassium. Friends, you always hear about plants needing potassium, but do you know why? Think of potassium as the plant's supervisor. It assists in nearly every chemical and metabolic process that happens during the life of a plant. From moving nutrients and water from cell to cell to controlling enzymes, even assisting in when photosynthesis occurs, potassium plays a role in it all. The bottom line is if you want big healthy plants with showy blooms or delicious fruit, you need potassium in your fertilizer. In addition to potassium, banana peels contain some vital nutrients for general plant health: calcium, manganese, sulfur, and magnesium. Each of these nutrients plays a role in maintaining plant health, whether it's photosynthesis, generating chlorophyll, or regulating the movement of water among cells. Furthermore, banana peels don't contain nitrogen, which is important to note if you are an avid tomato gardener. Banana peel fertilizer is perfect for plants with low nitrogen requirements such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and even radishes. But don't worry, even nitrogen loving plants will benefit from the use of banana peel fertilizer. The calcium content found in banana peels helps plants absorb nitrogen in the soil easier. Friends, making banana peel fertilizer is this simple fertilizer makes for magical results when you feed it to your plants. Let the concoction sit for a week to 2 weeks, then remove and discard the banana peel. Dilute the finished fertilizer with water in a 1 to 4 ratio and then feed it to all your plants with heavy blooms. Friends, making banana tea fertilizer, one of the easiest ways to do this is to make your own free DIY fertilizer with organic materials and household food waste, including banana peels, a sustainable solution. Like all plants, bananas contain important nutrients. You can recycle this back into your garden to build plant and soil health. Bananas are rich in minerals including potassium, and it is very helpful to promote general plant vigor, build up resistance to pest and disease, fruit develop, regulate around 50 enzymes in a plant, build turgor, plant strength. This is extremely important for plants. Bananas are mineral rich and recycling the peels back into your garden saves money and returns these nutrients to the soil where they can benefit other plants. This is no waste gardening. The other thing we will get from banana peel is phosphorus. This mineral strongly influences fruiting and flowering, is essential for good and root and shoot growth. Assist with pollination is very important in seed germination and viability. The most important thing we will get from banana peel, this is calcium. Calcium is the ingredient or cell walls concerned with root development and growing stem point. Helps open up soil to allow more oxygen. With such important roles to play, these macronutrient are vital for plants growth. So friends, this is banana peel fertilizer. You can make easily or use easily. If you like this information, please like, share or subscribe my channel. Friends, you can use this banana peel fertilizer in 15 days, and you can store it for a month, and you use it in all your plants with the mixture of normal water. Thank you, friends.